nestled in a prime spot on the corner between an elementary and middle school. This location is perfect for families with multiple parks nearby. It offers fantastic environment for enjoying family life. 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bath, approximately 5,500 square feet at only $1.25 million in the heart of Frisco. My name is Ben Baker with the Ben Baker team. Come check it out. Welcome to your new home at 14120 Esplanada Drive here in Frisco, Texas. So check out this amazing kitchen. No updates were done here. It was built this way. 6 burner, double oven, built-in microwave, an island that entertains plenty. Enjoy this amazing living area adjacent to the kitchen with huge ceilings. The primary suite has a nice window seat with plantation shutters that are throughout, and it's large enough to have an additional sitting area. Indulge in this spa-like bath with soaking tub, double vanities, huge walk-in shower, and a primary closet that's large enough for the entire family. Upstairs, this is where the party's at. We've got an oversized media room and game room. Thank you so much for visiting. If you love this listing as much as I do, or you want to see any of our other listings, feel free to call or text Ben Baker at 214-801-8800. See you soon.